Just updating on a trade I'm taking today. The FOMC minutes were out last night, and the bottom line from the minutes appeared to be that the Fed was focusing still on the inflation data to determine whether they want to be raising rates. And the question is there going to be another December rate hike? Will it come? Won't it come? And the inflation data is key. Now, the inflation data is out tomorrow. Now, when the minutes came out, when the market saw that the Fed were focusing on the inflation data, there wasn't a strong buy in the dollar, and there was weakness in the dollar. So what seems to be saying, the market seems to be saying, yeah, okay, Fed, we get it. You're focused on inflation. You're confident it's going to rise, but actually, we don't think it's going to rise. We don't share that confidence. And if you look across the globe, a lot of countries are struggling with low inflation. It's very difficult to get inflation rising. There's lots of pressures. Why inflation isn't necessarily increasing in the way that people are expecting. So a lot of this is to do with the quantitative easing, what effect it's having on economies, and no one really knows. So the bottom line is Fed's focused on inflation, hoping it's going to rise. Market think, not sure it will. So result this morning is to sell the dollar yen into tomorrow's inflation data. So here's my technical entry. Technical entry was just entered here today, sort of around the market in this area here. This isn't the platform I trade on, but I just put this trade on to illustrate it because it's easier to do it like that. But I've entered in around here, probably a little bit further down on my actual platform. And what I'm looking at doing is trading a hidden bearish divergence on the RSI. So here you've got a higher high, and here you've got a flat level, or arguably a lower low. So higher highs, lower lows. It's a hidden bearish divergence. Got momentum crossing to the downside. So stops, emergency stop here is just above this region, this swing point. My mental stop is above here. So if price shoots up and pulls back over here, then I'll start to be looking at pulling the position. Otherwise, downside targets are 100 MA on the, looking at the 100 MA on the 4-hour chart down here. So that would be an obvious target. This would be a good target as well. So, okay, I've just put a take profit in there. So if price shoots down for whatever reason, I'm taking out. I'll play this by ear as we go. Okay, guys, that's the trade. Have a good day.